It was great. I liked it a lot. Everyone was very open and discussing everything.
Oh, let I say you, it's really friendly. I think Zoom help a lot to ask us a question, to follow really easily. We can also ask a question directly to every people or directly to the speaker. I appreciate the speaker because I don't know many things to give an overview every time about the subject. And yes, and after I think go really specialize on the subject, but it's really nice to have an overview and also to have a specialized point of view.
So before we had a participants list, so we will knew about who is participating there, so we can target the exact people there.
The atmosphere at the webinar was perfect for me because it was very open. You can discuss with people whatever you like, and you could ask also the speakers about their experience. So discuss with everyone or with separate people. So for me, it was perfect.
So you were telling that it was maybe even better online than it would be in a person-to-person or in a live event?
Yes, because in a sense that you could speak with more people in a shorter time, and maybe for some of us, we were more brave to ask everyone everything.